Guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to install winRAR in your laptop. So, just you have to first of all download the winRAR file from any of your choices of website. So just do that and then open the file. They will ask you that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If you have a higher version in your Windows greater than 10, then it will always ask you this user account control will always ask you this. Press yes to that. After this, they will ask you there where is the destination folder. You can select your destination folder of your choice, and then you just have to press install. Just press OK. Just press done, and that's it. Your winrar file is good to go, and it is good to use now. So see, that's it. That was it. So now, if you have any more doubt to how to install the winrar file in your laptop, then just let me know down in the comments. And if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. So thank you.